Peak Marketers, welcome back. This is Bill, and excited for Sean to show us what he's been working on. If you heard our interview, he is a machine when it comes to thinking about problems and creating solutions. He actually even intimated, and probably because it's very much on his mind, but gave Amazon as an example in our interview. So he has agreed to bring us behind the curtain and show us what he's up to. So Sean, my friend, take it away.
Okay, well, as we were talking about in the interview, it's kind of cool because it tied in with the idea process that we used to generate. Is we were looking at creating a solution that bridges the gap between Amazon's FBA program, which is very expensive to get into and very difficult to succeed in. There's a lot of risk and commitment. Can cost you anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 to get into. Sourcing products and all the other kind of stuff. It's a little nuts. And then you've got the Amazon store builders that are out there that honestly, they don't work. Google hates them. They don't rank. They don't make much money. So my background, or part of my background, was building very high-end e-commerce sites. And the cool thing with e-commerce is that it's a business you can build, grow, and be proud of. And a lot of people, unfortunately, a lot of the systems and strategies out there, you put them into action, and you have to hold your nose because it stinks. And you kind of it's one of those, a lot of you can't be proud. It's not a business you would show your mother, for example. That's always the thing I keep in my head is, can you actually create a business that you're proud of your status because, hey, look what I built. Isn't it awesome? It's working. It's great. And like I mentioned in the interview, one of the things we had was an automated. It was a business that was one of the largest art businesses in the country, and it was all run from a very small apartment. We didn't have a warehouse. We didn't have inventory. We drop shipped everything from multiple retailers. So that gave us a huge, huge advantage because we could automate everything. And I thought, well, why not apply the same to Amazon? Let's turn Amazon into a drop shipper. Let's allow them to basically be our back end and fulfillment at the same time, but find a way to do that where you can create a real e-commerce experience for your customers, a solution that the search engines absolutely love, and reward you with commissions on the back end. So I'm just going to show you, walk you through a store that we put together as a demo using this concept. And what we've got here is a real e-commerce store filled with Amazon products. Now, the thing is, I mentioned is that a lot of the old store builders, they're filled with affiliate links. Google hates them, and you just click on one product, you end up on Amazon. There's no upsell opportunities. There's no cross-selling opportunities. There's no real authority you're building. You just put an affiliate link out there and you're done. And no one clicks on it. So you make no money. All your effort's wasted. So zombies are popular right now. I thought it'd be fun to do something like this. So we created a little zombie store. So you can see here, we've got lots of products in here, all sorts of crazy stuff. But the cool thing is, if I look at this product, for example, just a random click here, I can see the details about this product. It's loaded into your store directly, and I can add it to a cart internally. So we got the description here. We've got all the power of this. It's using a system called WooCommerce we integrate with. This is a WordPress site. And you can see I've already got some items in a cart already. So that's all very powerful. If I go back to the main shop, actually, I'll just go to another category. Say zombie gear. Let's just do that for example. So I can go through all the zombie gear here. I can sort by best selling, newness, average rating. I can filter by price. I can browse. I can see all my recently viewed items. So what we're creating here is a true authority experience. And I can go to any one of these. Maybe I want this. I can just click on here, click on the button. I can add that to my cart right here. Maybe I want this one as well. And see anything else I like. Okay, I like the zombie watch, Walking Dead watch. Okay, great. That's on sale right now. It's highlighted. So I've got all this really cool zombie gear, and now I can go to my cart, or I could do it from here, but I'll just go to my cart. And maybe I want to, okay, let's see. I got everything in here. Maybe there's a couple of things I don't want for whatever reason. So I can see, okay, let's see. I'll remove that item. Don't want that. And then, okay, so that's removed, or I can adjust my quantities. But let's go to the actual checkout. So now what it says, please wait one moment, searching for the best deals for you. We want to make sure you're getting the best price. Conveniently enough, we found the best prices for you on Amazon. And it says confirm the addition of these products to your store by clicking on the continue button on the next page. Well, that's all great. Now what happens is it added all those items to my product. I've dropped a 90-day retargeting cookie and affiliate cookie. Amazon's great because they will actually, with every product you've clicked, we drop a retargeting cookie courtesy of Amazon. And they will target your customers, even if they don't buy from you right now. If they buy from you tomorrow or with a 90-day cookie, buy from you anytime within the next 3 months, you get credit. But now I'm here, I've got all the items I wanted. I just go ahead and check out, and me as the store owner gets paid. And that's a beautiful way to do it. Again, it creates that authoritative, valuable user experience. Search engines absolutely love that. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. For example, we've got here, I can automatically translate this into any number of languages. We support 92 languages, and it's all automatically translated. So there you go into Spanish. Again, I have no idea what that says, so I'm going to put that back into English. My Spanish is not very good.
Yeah, but it's good to know that zombie is the same. Zombie is really the international language.
I guess so. I had no idea, but I learned that from going through this test process. But you can see right from the start, it's very easy to put together. The other thing that we're doing with this is, again, one of our more popular products is Profit Builder, and we created a special light version just for this launch so that you can come in here, rearrange things as you want. Maybe I wanted to, say for example, I wanted to move this down, so I'll grab this, I'll move that down here, and then I want to move this up or something like that, or I want to drag and drop a new item in, boom, 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 no problem at all. And you can move things around, add new items in. Maybe I wanted to add a video or a button, so I can go, let's see, actually go here and do that. Grab a video, I can maybe put that in here and just...
Oh, wow. So being able to, on the fly, be able to customize
Absolutely.
the layout of the store as well.
Absolutely, you can do anything you like, drag and drop. It's an amazingly easy system to put together. So again, of course, you'd get full training for all that. But let me show you under the hood. That's all the front-end stuff that the customer loves, the search engines love. It's the stuff that makes you money. But say, for example, I was creating, let me think. Say I was going to create a Rolex store. I wanted to do some fancy watches, so I could just set things up. I could go to, say, jewelry, and I can drill down to all the subcategories. So you can create any kind of niche site that you can imagine, and you can create an empire of these sites very easily. So jewelry, men. I want to specialize in just watches. So there's all the watch category there. And you can drill down as far and as deep as you like, and you can even create these highly generic stores with lots and lots of subcategories. Or you can just go as far as you like. I'm going very specifically into wristwatches there. No subcategories. That's as deep as I can go. That's fine. I can choose now, okay, what kind of items do I want? I'll take the best-selling items that are at least $1,000. I'll ignore external offers. In other words, only items will be filled by Amazon. And then I can go to the advanced settings. I can set up a campaign. I can post these back from now and randomized back 3 months.
Basically creating for a new site, creating the impression of it being around.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Get some depth and breadth to your business. I can choose, set any other settings I feel like. I can save the campaign. Um, let's just say $1,000 watches. This now saves the campaign. So our smart sync technology will come back, check prices, check for updates and everything else, and keep your store very, very fresh with new items, or make sure the items you've added and selected are all good. So now that you've set that up, you just go click Find Products. We directly integrate with Amazon's API, so we can now find all the watches we want. There's a whole lot of Targ watches and Zenith watches. I could narrow it down by keyword if I want to as well. But there's 100 watches, each one over $1,000 that I can add to my store right now. I can either select individual ones that I want, or just post the whole lot to a category called $1,000 watches. All good to go. If I want to go find some discounts, say for example, I wanted to find laptops, and I want to. We have a very cool thing I didn't mention. Um, we actually have a very powerful geo-targeting system built into this that allows, if say for example, Bill created his Amazon store right now with his $1,000 watches, and I'm in the UK. Well, Amazon US is not going to ship to the UK. However, our system automatically detects, oh, he's from the UK. Let's see if we've got that in our UK store or our UK database. Yes, no problem. It's added to the cart. Now, if Bill is also signed up with the UK version, and you can sign up for multiple Amazon associate accounts all over the world, he gets paid from that side as well. So you can now be international with your e-commerce business, just like that.
Oh, that's great. That's good that you guys thought of that.
So I don't leave stones unturned. I always like to dive into things. It's like, okay, well, what else can we do? What else can we do? So, say for example, I've got this laptop idea here, and I want to find in electronics anything over 10% as a discount. Maybe I want to create a clearance area for my e-commerce store for laptops. And now I've got a laptop here, for example, that's 48% discount,
Wow.
25, 10. So again, we can find all those great deals inside there. Another thing we've got is, well, if you want to build a store, you better research the thing. So we'll click on Amazon Suggest here. And what we do is we will actually dive into Amazon's big data, and they will tell us exactly what people want to see, what people are actually searching for. Remember, every search on Amazon is a buyer. They're hungry customers, and we can access all of that data and understand exactly what the customers want. So, Bill, give me a keyword. Give me a product that you might buy, or a keyword that you might think might be attached to e-commerce in some form.
What about what about an HD printer?
Okay, let's say HD printer. Okay, so that's fine. I'm just going to search all departments, and let's see what it comes up with. Now, digging. And again, our system is now querying. So let's see, HD printer, ink, paper, scanner. These are the generic ones. These could be great ideas, for example, for categories, cables. So it's searching and saying, okay, there's not much outside because it's a kind of a specific
It's
term.
very specific. If you started with printer,
Oh, exactly.
it'll go nuts, right?
So you got HD printer scanners, so combos, and that's what people are searching for.
Yep.
Now that gives you some ideas for keywords, for tags for your products if you have an HD printer category. So that can be used in that way. Let's take it generic, like Bill just mentioned there, and go just printer. So what are people actually searching for printers? So let's give it a second here. Again, we're getting so much more information now.
Yep.
Printer and fax, printer apps, printer and copier. So if we have our giant printer store, these are some ideas: printer, Canon, cover, copier, duplex, drawer. So you can see we're just digging into, we've probably pulled at least 200 different keywords here that will give us some ideas about what people are actually looking for. So you can dig into all that big data and start creating ideas, spawning ideas for how you're going to structure your store. But you're going to make it there, my friend.
I'm so sorry. I had some water go down the wrong way. I
Okay,
was going to
breathe
say,
air.
I
Breathe
decided
air.
to swallow and talk at the same time. I wanted to say something about Amazon and that search function. I read recently that 1 in 3 purchases online begin at Amazon.
That's very true.
They may
That's
not
very,
they may not all end at Amazon for some reason or other, but their search data is some of the
it's
best on the planet.
tremendous. It's tremendous. It's if you want to find what your actual customers want to do, that's a great place to start. So I'm going to dive in. I'm going to do something really geeky. Maybe I wanted to create a Star Wars store, and I want to find some geeky toys.
Speaking my
Okay,
language.
can't help it. If you could see, oh my good grief. So maybe I want to now say, okay, let's find the more expensive stuff. Okay, where I can make some money. Okay, so there's a whole load of Star Wars stuff. I can use their drill down to dig into everything.
Hmm.
And so what I'll do is I can now take that URL, I can bring it over to this new feature that we've added, the ASIN grabber, and we can dive into this and extract all of those products from that page. So I'll just grab those right now. And what we're doing is now we're analyzing that page. We're getting the unique identifiers for those products. There we go. 22 items on that page. Copy that, and we'll go to add products. So we can extract all that great information. Go to import from ASIN, which is these specific numbers. I'll just import those. And there we go. There is all of those products ready for me to put into my little geeky uh, Star Wars store just for the fun of it. So again, and you can get paid up to 10% on each and every one of those for every sale you make through your authority store. Now, if you've got each page on your store is designed for conversions, it's designed for optimization, and you can have lots and lots of fingers and a lot of pies out there bringing people into your store, and boom, sale here, sale there, sale there. It mounts up very, very quickly. And it just gives you an unlimited wealth of opportunity to literally create a business, like I say, that you can be proud of. An e-commerce store that you can grow and grow and grow. And the cool thing is all you're doing is picking those products, putting them in your real e-commerce store. But as you see with our checkout process, we're not just dealing with affiliate links. We're dealing with full products, turning Amazon into our personal dropshipper, tapping into 256 million products across the globe that pay us commission every single day. We don't have to do the FBA program and invest hundreds of thousands of dollars in creating inventory to put at Amazon. No, we've got all their products. Fine, let's tap into that, create these highly authoritative, profitable stores that convert like crazy, and again, create a great relationship with Amazon, with the search engines, and our customer base to market to again and again and again. Gives us a huge opportunity.
Oh, it's beautiful, man. So, some specific questions I've got. This is a theme, correct? Looks like it's a theme.
It's actually not a theme. It's a software plugin. It's
Okay.
a combination. We've put together a theme that we give away for free as part of the bundle, and the Profit Builder Lite version. So those are two bonus. You don't need them, but we're giving them away just as a nicety because I'm a nice guy. But it's a core plugin that works behind the scenes. You can use this with any theme, any website. It integrates with another plugin that's free called WooCommerce,
Hmm.
which is a very powerful e-commerce solution, and it integrates and fuses all of that together to create this incredible setup. So it's not just a plugin; it's a strategy. It's all the training, how to do all this, and much, much more. And then we've given you the perfect kind of unison of everything to put this strategy into motion.
That's great, and I'm assuming you guys have got some good training for everybody on how to use it and
Absolutely,
maximize
yeah.
it.
We've got everything you can imagine in regards to getting it started. We've also got a store builder, which is like an automated version, which is basically a clone of my best stores. And we stripped it down, taken all the products out, all the branding out, but it's the best configuration that you can get. That's one of the one-time offers. It automates things. It kind of gives you a massive head start. Rather than creating everything individually and putting everything together, you can literally just say, okay, Sean, you know what? Build my store for me. And it's like I'm sat there right with you saying, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this. And it's all done for you. You just put in your information and then it deploys it for you. So that's one of the optional extras. And then beyond that, we've got advanced training, which goes even further with some of the higher end e-commerce strategies. And there's a great bundle of some of my best plugins all together that'll help you build traffic, increase conversions, and do some amazing things on the back end. So they're all optional. You don't have to get those extras if you don't want them. The core product itself is absolutely amazing and can do everything that you've seen right here.
Well, this is beautiful, man. I really loved the finished product there. It looks like you've thought of practically everything, as you said, not leaving no stone unturned. The thing about Amazon marketing for me and what I love about a solution like this is that it's not labor intensive. It doesn't require a lot of personal effort. It does require some thought. It requires figuring out a focus and doing, and kind of going to that. The software can begin to take care of most of everything that's going on. So then all you have to do, it's like if you're fishing, it's just dropping lures in the water, right?
It's
And as many of those as possible, I would assume. And
absolutely.
just going that route. And then guess what? You're going to get a hit here and a hit here and a hit here. And you know what I mean? And it's not to say that one store is suddenly going to generate $50,000 a month for you, in month 2, but you can spend a weekend, set some of these things up. You can have like I said, get a sale over here, get one over here, get another one over there, and suddenly, things start to pick up.
It's all about the momentum and
Yeah.
continuously moving forward. This is based on the drop shipping model, and I've got a customer in New Zealand who does $300,000 a month drop shipping products. Okay, and not through Amazon, but it gives you the ideas. Again, they don't touch the physical products. They don't actually have to deal with the warehousing, and we're doing the same here with Amazon. We're using them for fulfillment. We're using them for the products. You're getting your commission on the back end. All you're doing is problem solution marketing. Someone wants something, you've got something to match that need, bring them together, take a profit, and then move on. And you can create as many of these stores as you like. Just keep going, boom, boom, boom. More products, more fingers, more stores, whatever you want to do, and just scale it up as big as you like. And that's the beauty of this system. We didn't want to leave anything kind of to chance. We wanted to put all the best practices here that we've executed on many, many e-commerce projects over many, many years, and put the core elements of success in one place so that you can rock on forward and start really succeeding.
Azon Authority, folks. Looks beautiful, Sean. Thank you so much for
Thank you
showing
very
this to us, and thanks for a little exclusive peek into what you guys are doing. I'm very excited for you.
I appreciate it. Love the chance to kind of show off this stuff. So again, with a lot of stuff we do, very proud of it. We put a lot of effort in there, and we are launching on April 2nd, opening the doors to the public, and hey, everyone can check it out and see what they think.
Awesome. We'll have all the links available. Again, Sean, thank you so much, and keep rocking.
Thanks very much. Take care, Bill.